So last weekend I lost another exhaust pipe off the shovel head, and I'm getting close to rebuilding it here. It's just about that time. So you can see the front still on there, rear is gone. Just came in and made this new little oiler line, I don't know. Looks different. But the goal today is to take 4 hours and build a new exhaust. I got the front header ran. I don't want to go crazy on these pipes either. I'm trying to keep it simple, and I need to be able to take them off easy so if I break down, because it's going to be the road bike. But this one just came around here. What I'm going to do on the bottom, I don't know, I'm kind of winging this whole set, but I'm going to match one up here, and then we'll come into this area and do something. I'm not sure what yet, but we're going to put something there. I wanted to do basic pipes, so I just did a little upsweep, but I don't like it at all. So I'm going to keep it simple. I don't want to put much more time into these because I'll probably end up changing them in a week or so. But I made just these little turnouts, and I'm just going to run them to about here and just turn them out. I added one bracket down here going to the bottom of the frame. I added another bracket back here going to the transmission mount, and then there's one more bracket here that'll hold them both together. So pretty much the front pipe is going to support the rear pipe and should work. So I'm going to cut these tips off real quick and put on my new ones and finish weld. I'll weld it up. See, I was just messing with the Brillo, and I was just gonna Brillo the whole pipes and leave them raw. But if I leave the welds, I feel like they're unfinished. So I'm gonna grind them down. There's not that many joints on these. So I'm gonna smooth them really quick, and then I'll come back and do the Brillo finish and put it back on and call it a day. Here's where I'm at. I'm gonna rattle can these after I get the finish I'm gonna do. And usually what I do is heat it up in some warm water just so the spray shoots better. I'm just gonna do a clear. But over here, got them all ground down. It's smooth enough for what we're doing. I'm gonna take a Brillo pad, just clean them up real nice. Kind of give them a rough finish, and then, yeah, take them outside. I'll spray a coat of clear on and keep moving. Everybody keeps blocking the videos. Too many people coming over today. So we'll do one more start. I barely got it here a minute ago.